Hey, lovely. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. It's over 90 degrees in Alaska right now. When I was in my car, it said 92 degrees. In Alaska, that's crazy. So my design process is kind of non-existent. I'm doing what I can to just cool off. As you can see, I'm sweating in my house. So instead of having something creative for you or showing you my process, I'm just going to be honest with you and say, hey, I'm not getting much done today because I feel a little bit miserable, and I'm going to offer you some free goodies instead. In the resource library for Grow with Lady, you can get access to wonderful Instagram highlight covers. I call them the Instagram Sunday. So click the link below and get access to the resource library. You'll also get access to the free YouTube graphics where you can get thumbnails, end screens, and watermarks all in wonderful colors. You can mix them up or you can keep them cohesive to fit your brand. And anything that I add in the future to this resource library will also be in there. You can also get access to the free handmade training. So just go ahead, click on that resource library while I try to cool off. Enjoy your Instagram Sunday. I kind of like that. I might need to go eat some ice cream now. So if you want to follow along on this design process for creating a new product line, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll get access to the new videos.